Merry Christmas, everyone. Clumsy Guy's brother here, and I wanted to show you the system I've just come up with for filling my water jug here in St. George, Maine. Now, if you look, we've got free water here. See that? It's just flowing. It's all been tested, and it's there for the taking. The problem is, these newfangled water cooler bottles, all they have is a hole like that, because they want you to buy the water at the store, which probably isn't anywhere near as pure as this water. Proof in the pudding. So I came up with a new system I'm trying out, which is right here. It is a Maine Spring dispenser whereby I cut a hole in the bottom and put a coupling on the top with a little plastic tube, and you are about to witness the first ever test of this new system. So here we go. Plug this in here. That goes in the hole. Yeah. And then this piece here, oops. Okay. There is a way to do this. Okay. This piece here goes right on the pipe. And presto. Uh-oh. Oh dear. System malfunction. Okay. See if that will work. Well, yeah, this is definitely the Clumsy Guy's brother. I don't see it going in. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I need to feed more of the hose into the bottle. How's that? And tip this down, and let's see. Well, maybe. Whoop. Oh, it's going in now. There it goes. I guess I have to do it. It's not quite as efficient as I had hoped, but maybe if I put this down here, well, try again. Yeah, that'll go in. Try another one. And this is a 5-gallon bottle, and I've got 2 of them. So I'll just, wasn't quite as good as I had hoped, but I am, after all, the Clumsy Guy's brother. So we'll try one more time. See, it is filling, and that's all. Oh, a minute. It's also good deep knee bending here at the spring in St. George, Maine. If anyone is interested, that's where it is, right here. And there's another gallon or so, not quite, going into the bottle. Oh yeah, that's a gratifying gulp. And we'll try again, maybe with this last go round it'll fit. I guarantee it is still better than pouring it directly from the bottle into the other bottle. This tubing system helps immensely. And one more. And voila, this is the Clumsy Guy's little brother signing off in St. George, Maine.